Organizing a rally, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of organizing events, specifically focusing on how to organize a rally. Whether you're rallying for a cause, a community event, or any other purpose, understanding the ins and outs of this process is crucial. Let's embark on this journey together and turn your vision into a successful rally. Before we jump into the organization part, it's essential to grasp what a rally is. A rally is a large public gathering, usually organized to support a cause, express a collective opinion, or demonstrate solidarity. It's not just a meeting. It's a powerful way to voice opinions and spark change. Whether it's for social, political, or environmental causes, a rally brings people together for a common purpose. The cornerstone of a successful rally is its purpose. Start by setting clear, achievable objectives. What do you want to accomplish? Are you raising awareness, influencing public opinion, or urging policymakers to take action? Your objectives will shape every decision you make, from the theme of the rally to the speakers and the call to action. Organizing a rally requires meticulous planning. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Form a planning team. Assemble a group of committed individuals who share your vision. 2. Choose a date and venue. Select a date that maximizes attendance and a location that's accessible and symbolic to your cause. 3. Obtain necessary permits. Check with local authorities about the permits required to host a public event. 4. Promote your rally. Use social media, local media, and community networks to spread the word. 5. Arrange logistics. Consider sound systems, stages, and crowd control measures. 6. Plan the program. Decide on speakers, activities, and the flow of the event to keep the audience engaged. Ensuring the safety of participants is paramount. Coordinate with local law enforcement. Have a clear plan for medical emergencies, and ensure that your event complies with all local regulations. Risk assessment and emergency planning are not just optional, they're your responsibility as an organizer. A rally's success is also measured by how well it engages its audience. Encourage participation, create interactive segments, and use compelling storytelling. Remember, you're not just sharing information, you're inspiring action and fostering a sense of community. Organizing a rally is no small feat, but with thorough planning, a clear purpose, and a passionate team, it's within your reach. We hope this guide empowers you to transform your vision into a powerful and impactful event. Thank you for watching. And here's to making a difference, one rally at a time.